Hello everyone, this is Dr. Curtis. I'm making a video about Calc 2 Week 1 walkthrough. Alright, so what you should do for the first week of Calc 2, I would go to Blackboard, go to Weekly Modules, go to Module 1, which is Differentiation Rules and Approximating Areas. Click on that, and there you will see the course, the weekly objectives, which are to use sigma notation to calculate sums and powers of integers. Also use the sum of rectangular areas to approximate the area under a curve. So that's using Riemann sums. And use Riemann sums to approximate area, which these two are about the same. Okay. So the assignment, let's go to that. So the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is to go to this discussion board and introduce yourself. Okay, so if you could put up a 5-minute or less video, just, please include your name, your major, something interesting about yourself. Just let us know who you are, and also if you have any questions. All right, here we're going to have your required learning resources. I guess for like differentiation, I need to include some videos here. So I'm going to take a look and include some videos there, supplemental resources. Let's see, for Calc 2, maybe a copy of the OpenStats book or something. But the Xi book should help, right? That's where your weekly assignments are going to be. They shouldn't help, but that's the required text. Okay, so let's go. This is the discussion board information. I have to edit that, but the weekly module assignments. All right, let's click on that. All right. So here, I asked you to watch a YouTube video about differentiation rules and do the participation activities in the Xi book 1.1 through 1.5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Also problems 11, 12, 13, and 18. Now these are participation activities. Some of them are not like exercises, right? They're not, you may not have to answer anything. You may just have to click on it, and it will explain. It's like some of them are examples as opposed to exercises. All right, so just do the participation activities in section 1.1, and that's 1 through 5, 11, 12, 13, and 18. So it looks like that, and reviewing your differentiation rules are the two things you should do for week 1. So let me just go to the Xi book, right? So it's on the syllabus how to sign up for the Xi book. And so since you have to go to 1.1, this is for Calc 2. You go to 1.1, approximating areas, and we'll just take a look so you can see as you move along how that will look. So approximating areas, you'll go down and you'll see, let's see if we come to a participation activity. Here it says like evaluating a summation. And so they have this here, but they want you to see how it's done, like what they're talking about. So from the start, they set this up. They call this the lower limit, the upper limit. Here's the function. The next step is showing you, and there's some explanation here that you would read. And they're saying, put in 1 for k, then put in 2 for k, and you're going to go from 1 to 4, right? And you're taking these parentheses and you're adding them every time. Right? So this is what they mean by participation activity, right? There was no work for you to do. You just clicked on it and studied what it is they're doing, right? Because this is a asynchronous course, you're learning on your own. So I feel strongly that this type of book is important to use. All right. So these are the ones, and they're numbered, right? This is the second participation activity, and so on. So when you go back to the weekly assignment, it says here do 1.1.1 and then through 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 12, 13, and 18 of the participation activities. And there should be a video here. I gotta find out where I put the video, but it will be on Blackboard. All right, so we could back it up. This week's assignments, and here it is. Okay, so weekly module 1 assignments, but you can see here, right, how to do derivatives. And you could also, and then I also chose another one here, approximating areas using Riemann sums, right? Or you can go on YouTube and find your own, but these are the ones that I thought would be very helpful. All right then, so I'll talk to you soon, and don't forget to post some type of short video introducing yourself to the class. Post that on the discussion board. Okay, thanks so much.